Hey guys, it's Dr. Steve with Pro Touch Rehab with another episode for you. And today I want to talk about alcohol consumption and weight loss. So, with alcohol, if we have one drink, due to the energy demands created on the liver and the enzymatic processes that must occur to break down alcohol, it can actually accelerate weight loss. We burn more calories metabolizing the alcohol than we actually consume. There's about 7 calories in every gram of alcohol. So if you have one drink, it's not really going to affect us. It's probably going to actually benefit you in a caloric deficit. If you aren't in a caloric deficit and you have alcohol, it is excess calories. And you will increase body fat. It's as simple as that. Just like I talk about metabolic adaptation and calories in, calories out is the most important factor in weight loss. So always take that into consideration when consuming alcohol and you're trying to lose weight. Now, if we have more than, let's say, 2 drinks, the energy demands in the liver is high. We do burn more calories, but it also affects all of our anabolic hormones because the liver controls our blood sugar. It controls detoxification. It's the regulator of our hormones. So if there's too much demand on the liver, our body can't get rid of excess hormones, estrogen levels rise, and it affects our weight loss. So there's a period where there is too much, and you got to use this all within consideration when consuming alcohol and trying to lose weight. So, not to mention, there's one other factor that goes along with this, and this doesn't go for everybody, but if you are a person that genetically has high histamine levels, alcohol causes your body to release histamines. If our histamines are too high, it increases something called zonulin. Zonulin controls the interstitial space between the cells in the intestine in our mucosal barrier, and if our gut becomes permeable, we're leaking protein particles and toxins throughout our bloodstream. We want to keep that interstitial space between those cells in the intestine tight. The zonulin controls the junction between those cells. So, too much histamine, too much alcohol consumption can actually create bigger problems for you, right? So if you are that person, probably even avoiding alcohol altogether is a good idea. So again, always use alcohol with consideration. It is not the best. It is not always the healthiest, even though it's touted as being so healthy and having health benefits. There are some, but not every case. Sometimes we might need to do some lab work. We can figure that out by looking at your genetics and seeing if it's right for you to consume periodically to be social. But more than one drink is not in your best interest, no matter who you are, and that's just the case. So this is Dr. Steve again with Pro Touch Rehab. You can look at my website, www.protouchrehab.com, and always go subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dr. Steve Spencer. You can always contact me with questions. All right? Thanks, guys. I hope you had a good day, and we'll reconvene and talk soon.